Yes, my people, as you can see, don't know Marvin or Elstar Beats. Up and running again. You understand? See there? Remember them say I got broke foot. I don't know what kind of false news this time after now. If I got broke foot, see there, just a little cut I get. I don't know if I protect it out so I can entertain the people. So I just rush to the hospital and get the stitch up and running again. I don't know. And big up my team. Don't know. The whole beast team. Don't know. Money beast, black beast. Big up my girl Nikisha. They're right there on my side until now I'm up and running. Top striker, black man. Big up yourself, said me. Big up to the whole of the people that will show them love and respect. All over social media, all who call my phone and text me. Respect my manners, Tony. I don't know. Respect that and love that. They hear that. Don't know. But the people that must stop saying out on the false news about Brookfoot. These up and running and ready for the road again. Back at work again. Don't know. One love, everybody.